I've had a lot of good experiences with customers, but probably my most favorite is a little lady that lives in Provo that was having trouble with her furnace, and she'd had several companies come out and talk about replacing her furnace and the things that she needed to do, but didn't want to actually go down and look at the furnace to see if it needed to be replaced. Just wanted to convince her that she needed one. And so when I got there, I went down and we looked at her furnace, and I told her, gave her some options about what she could do and how we could fix it. But then she opted to go with me and change her furnace anyways, but it just made her feel more comfortable that she was actually regarded as as a person, and her opinion counted instead of just what they wanted to sell her.